Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video lecture, we will be going to discuss the list of all the organelles which are found in the plant cells together with their diameters. Okay, so if we talk about the organelles found in the plant cells, there are three types of organelles which are found in the plant cells. These are double membrane bound organelles, single membrane bound organelles, and non-membrane bound organelles. Double membrane bound organelles are those organelles which are surrounded by two membranes. Single membrane bound organelles are those organelles which are surrounded by a single membrane or just one membrane, and non-membrane bound organelles are not surrounded by any membrane. So if we talk about plant cells, there are usually three types of double membrane bound organelles that can be found. First one is the nucleus, which has a diameter of 10 to 15 micrometers. The second one are the mitochondria, which have the diameter of 1.0 micrometer. And in some plant cells, you can also find chloroplasts, which have a diameter of 3 to 10 micrometers. You should note that not all plant cells contain chloroplasts. Only those cells which are photosynthesizing, those cells contain chloroplasts. Okay. If we talk about the single membrane bound organelles found in the plant cells, these are the lysosomes, which have a diameter of 100 to 400 nanometers. Then we have the endoplasmic reticulum, which could be rough or smooth. And both the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they have a diameter of 50 nanometers. Then we have the Golgi apparatus, which is a single membrane bound organelle found in the plant cells with a diameter of 30 nanometers. Then comes the vesicles or small vacuoles, and the last one is the sap vacuole. So what is the difference between sap vacuole and normal vacuoles? Normal vacuoles are small, they are temporary, and they are numerous in number. If we talk about sap vacuole is centrally placed, it's very large, it's single per cell. So the vesicles or the small vacuoles and sap vacuole, they have variable diameters, so I haven't mentioned their diameters in this lecture. Okay, let's move on to the non-membrane bound organelles found in the plant cells. So you should note that only ribosomes are the organelles in the plant cells which are non-membrane bound. Plant cells do not contain centrioles. Okay. So what are the diameters of the ribosomes? Ribosomes, as you all know, there are two types of ribosomes, the 80S and 70S. These two types of ribosomes are found in plant cells. The 80S ribosomes have a diameter of 25 nanometers and the 70S ribosomes have a diameter of 22 nanometers. And you already know the locations of the ribosomes. 80S ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm of the plant cell. They are present on the rough ER or rough endoplasmic reticulum. They are also found inside the nucleus. They are found attached to the nuclear envelope, whereas the 70S ribosomes are found in the mitochondria and chloroplast in the plant cells. Okay guys, this is the list of all the organelles that are found in the typical plant cell. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz everyone.